guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am really excited because today I am going to do a full face using Swiss Beauty products. Now this video is in collaboration with Swiss Beauty and I'm so happy to work with them in today's video. You guys don't know, recently I reviewed one of their newly launched foundation and that video was not at all sponsored. I purchased that product with my own money and yeah, they thought of collaborating with me, so they sent me few products. I didn't receive any concealer, foundation or anything like that, so I'm gonna use few things which I already have with me. I actually received a few nail polishes, few lipstick. This is the nail polish that I am wearing right now. I'm quickly going to show you guys as well. This is the package that they sent me and I added few products which I already have, and this is my full face using Swiss Beauty products. So yeah guys, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So we are good to go. First I am going to show you guys, just look at this packaging guys. It's so beautiful. The bag is so beautiful. Anyway, so the first product, give me this cheek and eyes palette. This is what it looks like. You don't have any matte shades over here, you have all shimmer shades, but I am going to talk about this particular product. So nail polish. Now I just love Swiss Beauty nail polish. They are so beautiful. I don't know why, their color range, formula, they are so beautiful. So the shade that I am wearing is this one right over here, and this is in the shade 8. This is such a beautiful mauvey kind of nude kind of a shade. I am in love. And this is like in the shade 9 and it's a little bit light, and this is a little bit dark. I received two lipstick. One is red and one is a maroon nude kind of a shade. Formula is a little bit different because if you want just a tint of red or just a tint of maroon, you can definitely add just one swipe and you will get that tint. It's like it will give you a very beautiful tint, but if you want it to be more deeper, you can just add another layer. So it's like the formula is a little bit different and I personally love it for your everyday. Obviously if you purchase this red for your everyday, sometimes few people don't really go with a red shade. You just swipe like this and you just blend it with your fingers a little bit. It will give you such a beautiful tint and it's not too glossy. I will not say that it's completely matte. And the last product that I received is this Kajal pencil, and this is their defined Kajal long wearing and smudge proof jet black Kajal pencil, and I am really excited to try this out. That's pretty much what they sent me. Now I am just gonna do my makeup finally. So I'm gonna use my foundation. If you want to check out my review, you can just mention the link in the description box below. You can check that out. Shade is really bad because as you guys can already see, it's too light for me and you only have 4 or 5 shades, and I talked about this foundation earlier as well. Particular foundation, if you want to get more coverage, then definitely use a brush, but if you want to get more natural coverage, then use a sponge. Obviously with all foundation it's the same thing. Then you guys know I love this concealer. This is like my go-to concealer. I love this particular product and I am in the shade 05, and this is such a beautiful concealer guys. I don't know, I love it, and I am just going to use it right over here. Don't really have any powder from Swiss Beauty, so I'm just going to use my PAC Cosmetics powder. I am going to do my eye makeup and I have this two palette. This one is Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette which I used before, and you guys know I really personally love this palette and I personally recommend this. Colorful shades, you have everyday shades, you have beautiful shimmers as well. This is like their newly launched palette and this is known as Cheeks and Eyes palette. Now you will get shimmer and matte shades over here, but in this palette you will only get shimmer shades. Now why you need to purchase this particular product? Because these shimmers are beautiful, guys. Transition color, and on top of that you can use any shimmer that you want, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Tight budget, I think this is a good palette for you. I'm gonna go with this particular shade right over here. I am just gonna use it right over here, just like my transition shade, nothing else. I am going to use this like deep brown shade, and I am just going to use it right over here to make this area a little bit more deeper. For this eyeshadow palette, I think I'm gonna go with this particular shade or this shade. I know you guys are screaming like, use that blue, but I'm not gonna use it because I already used it and I filmed a real video using all Swiss Beauty products. So if you want to watch it, you have to check out my Instagram for that. But if I do a smoky eye, let's see. So I'm gonna use this black Kajal and I am just gonna use it all over my eyes. Have that black base so that I can do my smoky eyes really well. So this is what my eyes are looking right now. I know this is looking a little bit messy, but smoky eyes, you have to do it in a messy way. Full olive green shade. I'm just going to use it on top of this. Oh my god, just look at this shade. So pretty. I'm not going to do it entirely. I'm just going to use it right over here, just to give a halo eye kind of effect. And I'm just going to take it a little bit upward as well, using it in a triangular way. I think fingers will work really best with these shimmers. I'm gonna do just to make it a little bit more vibrant, just bring out that halo effect really more. I'm gonna use this particular shimmer shade and just lightly, not too much, I am just going to add it over here, right over here. That's pretty much it. Now if you want to add a little bit more black, I'm going to take this particular shade. This is not exactly black, it's like a black with a blue shift. So I'm just going to use my brush and I am just going to use it right over here and a little bit over here as well. That I was doing my lower lash line and I didn't even record it. Explain what I actually did. I used my kajal all over my lower lash line. With this smudger brush, I smudged it really well, and then I just extended it a little bit, just like a wing. Looks kind of like a cat eye. So I'm just going to extend it a little bit like a wing. You can also take that black shade and you can extend it like this. Guys, this is the finished eye makeup look and I am really happy how this look actually turned out. This bronzer looks a very shimmery bronzer, but I will try to use it a little bit so that I can just show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to take a very fluffy brush. Oh my god, not bad actually. It's giving me glow, but it's not looking patchy. Just there is glitter, but okay, not at all looking bad. I will not say that this is looking bad, but if you want a gold bronzed look, I think this shade is like perfect for you. I am going to use this particular shade as my blush. I use it right over here. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Like, of course, if you are not a like shiny blush kind of a person, you're not gonna love this, but I don't think it's looking bad. Like, I am definitely gonna use it, not for my everyday, but if I want to experiment with some glowy makeup look, I think I am definitely gonna use this. If you feel like that it's looking a little bit too much, just go with your beauty sponge and just dab it really well. I'm gonna use this shade as my highlighter. Second last step, I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and the spray is a little bit harsh, but this makeup fixer is really good if you want to buy. If you are a beginner, I think this is like a really good setting spray for you. So I'm just going to for the most exciting part, to lipstick which I have from Swiss Beauty. I think I'm gonna go with this maroon shade. I'm gonna show you guys how it actually looks. So this is like the red shade and this is known as bold wine. Beautiful red matte shade. This is in the shade Murphy Brown and this is a beautiful brownish red, like maroon kind of a beautiful shade. So I think I'm gonna go with this particular shade. It's not exactly brown, it's not exactly red, something in the middle. I love this color. Guys, this is the finished look and I am so happy with how this entire full face of Swiss Beauty turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. If you want to check out something, you can definitely click the link and you can buy it for yourself. And yeah guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.